Alright, what's up everyone? I thought we'd do kind of a little different video. Thought we'd put on some new keycaps, some HyperX doubleshot PVT, the pudding. These keycaps are really cool because it's like kind of like a gloss around the outside. It's kind of interesting. So while we're waiting, thank you guys for 150 subs. It's kind of crazy, so I really appreciate y'all. So here I'm just slowly removing the keycaps, and it kind of is a long process, but in the end I think it is worth it because the keyboard does look really nice with these pudding keycaps, is what they're called. Got their double shot, which is like the way the keycaps are manufactured, and so they're pretty strong. Right here, it's super simple. I'm just explaining, you just kind of push down to hear the keycap remover click, and then you pull it right off. So if anyone's confused on that, there you go. It's real simple, besides right here the Windows key was really giving me some trouble. And then towards the end, the keycap puller wasn't really wanting to work, and if you look in the top left, there's actually the original keycap puller that comes with the keyboard. Right here I was trying to show the camera that it is very dirty inside. I haven't cleaned this thing since I had it. The camera can't see it very well, but there's like little bits of my hair and maybe little bits of some crackers or something in there, so I had to clean that out. Doesn't even look like anything changed, but it definitely was super clean. So here's the comparison here. So on the left you have your original keycap. Okay, so on the left you have your new keycap. That's the pudding. As you can see, it kind of has like a white outside to it. So here, just line them up so you look again. He's kind of got like a clear outside, kind of frost almost around the edges. I thought I needed that, and then I didn't, so I threw it down. And let's put these bad boys on. Nice little blow. That didn't sound right. So putting it on is pretty simple. You just slowly apply. I mean, not much pressure is needed. You just line it up with a little cross on the switches and give it a little bit of push down, and then it's in. Pretty simple. Picked up speed here on the end, I guess. Jeez. Finish it off, the escape key. Little thumbs up. And this is it up close. You can see it's completely different looks, kind of got like a frost to it. And we plug her in. And right now I have my custom light set up. It's kind of hard to see it on camera, but it looks so clean in person. I'll try to get a little bit of better shots here in a few seconds, but it was kind of hard to get it with the lighting I had. It really looks clean with the RGB modes, like the changing colors. It just looks really nice. A little overview, and then I try to get it a little darker here, a little closer. So you can see it's kind of just like smooth, and it's really nice. So yeah, that's how you install the PVT HyperX pudding keycaps. If y'all enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. It's free. You can always change your mind. Again, thank you for watching. See y'all later. Peace.